I'm here to start my talk on Independence Day. Today is a golden day in the history of India, the Independence Day, the day which we were released from the clutches of British, a set of people who cared for business, began to exploit them and became our rulers. Thanks to a freedom fighter who sacrificed his life for the sake of freedom. The Great Revolt and the Sepoy Mutiny became the first part of nationalism which spread like wildfire throughout the nation. British, for the first time, became frightened because it was losing its reputation worldwide. It's only by the gunpowder that they could survive in India, for which they used mass homicide. Jallianwala Bagh massacre and many more painful and unforgettable events. Many great men like Rajaram Mohan Rai, Balagandar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru took the freedom of India as the purpose of their life. Of course, we have to select our sons from the soil, Marudu Brothers, Veerapandiya Mohan, Velu Narayan, Tirupur Rumanan, Mahathir Narayan, Mahatma Subramanian Bharati, and Kapalabheda Vivoki Namana. And my list goes on. There are also many unsung heroes in every locality who contributed in their own way in the battle of liberation. They interfered and destroyed all the estate we had. Our native system of agriculture used only organic manure. The British walked away all these and brought in unhealthy chemical fertilizers and hybrid varieties of crop. The next discovered field was a traditional system of medicine. All the herbal remedies were sent off and distributed. Allopathic medicines were imported and sold in India. The textile industry was the worst thing to get about these. To get the Indian market for elastic textiles, they used necessarily chopped off the figure of native weavers. The freedom that you and I breathe now has been hard won by bloodshed, loss of parents, loss of property, etc. etc. After independence, due to the efforts of great people like Jawaharlal Nehru, Raj Bahadur Shastri, Morarji Desai, and Indira Gandhi, we have seen growth in the field of agriculture, private advancement in medical science and scientific technology, literacy rate has improved, many automobile industries have been set up, communication and information technology has seen vast progress, and so on. With all these achievements, have we really attained complete freedom? No. On the other side, there is no honesty of corruption. Injustice, widespread, cash discrimination, abuse against women for equity, brain drain, privatization of all public sector, high-handed politics, and the revolt. What you and I as students can do about it? We are the beneficiaries of India. Feel therefore, my dear friends, fight this order. Here comes my friend Muhammad Riyad of State who share his views to make an impact and influence you to become a better